Hello there, thank you for your inquiry on our Citroen Relay. I'm just going to take you on a quick tour around the van. So the van is an L2H2, it's on an 18 plate. I've got the back doors open ready for you to look inside. As you can see, it's ply lined, ready to go. Just here is where you fuel the van and put in your AdBlue. I'm going to go around the other side to show you the interior. So now I'm going to show you inside the Citroen Relay. I've got electric mirrors and electric window control. I've got 3 seats with adjustable headrests. There's your media system. Got your 12-volt outlet, cup holders, 6-speed gearbox. Got your mobile phone controls on the steering wheel. Just going to start it up. I've got 85,099 miles on the clock. Thank you for your inquiry today. I hope this has been helpful, and if there's anything else that we can do to help with your purchase, please let us know. Thank you.